Good evening, students. Welcome to 6th standard social class. Students, I hope all are safe at home by God's grace. Now, students, we are going to see in geography unit 2 land and oceans. Land and oceans. Land and oceans. Before we start the lesson, we are going to see the learning objectives. To understand the continents and oceans. Second point, to learn about the characteristics, features of different landforms and oceans. Third one, to know about the classification of landforms. Fourth point, to understand the oceans and its features. First, we have to see what is continents and oceans. Okay. The earth is covered by water which occupies 71% and land that occupies 29% of the earth surface. Totally, the earth. What is earth? Earth is the third planet in the solar system. That is, we are living. So, the earth is covered by water which occupies 71% and land that occupies 29% of the earth surface. That means most of the places is covered by water. The remaining places only land. Okay, understand, children? The surface of the earth is not even. The surface of the earth, that is land. So the surface of the earth is not even. Even means not equal. Because it has lofty mountains, deep oceans and other landforms. Why the earth is not even? Because it has lofty mountains, deep oceans and other landforms. These landforms can be classified as three orders. That means classification of landforms into three orders. The yellow color, blue color and the green color. No, these are the differentiation of the first order, second order and third order. First order landforms means continents and oceans. First order landforms means continents and oceans. Second order landforms, mountains. It includes mountains, plateaus and plains. Next, third order landforms. It includes valleys, beaches and sand dunes. Understand, children? Now we are going to see one by one. First order landforms. What are the first order landforms? Continents and oceans. Continents and oceans. See here, in first order landforms, there are two. One is continents and another is oceans. Continents and oceans are grouped as first order landforms. Continents and oceans are grouped as first order landforms. The vast landmasses on earth are called continents. What is continent, children? Continents, the vast land. Vast means big, huge, large. So, the vast land masses on earth are called continents. And huge water bodies. Here meaning huge also we can say big, large. Okay, vast. So, huge water bodies are called oceans. There are 7 continents in the world. There are 7 continents. How many continents, children? There are 7 continents. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. I repeat, there are 7 continents. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Asia is the largest continent. Among these 7 continents, Asia is the largest continent, whereas Australia is the smallest one. Australia is the smallest continent. Next, children, land classification in Sangam period. The land is divided into 5. Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal, Polai. These are the 5 lands. We can see one by one. Kurunji. Kurunji means mountain and its environments. That is environs. Kurunji land means mountain and its environs. Second one, Mullai. Mullai means forest and its surroundings. Mullai land means forest and its surroundings. Third one, Marudam. Marudam means agricultural land and its adjoining areas. Marudam land means agricultural land and its adjoining areas. Fourth one, Neidal. Neidal land means sea and its environs. That is environments. Neidal land means sea and its environs. Last one, Polai. Polai land. Polai land means desert region. Desert means no rain, no cultivation, anything is there. Nothing is there. So that is Polai land. Which of the above land form category do you belong to, children? Which category we are belong to now? So in Pondicherry, what are the places? Neidal, sea and its environs. Okay, children. Next one. Apart from continents, there are 5 oceans located on the earth surface. First, we studied continents. Okay, continents. What is continent, children? Continent means the vast land masses on earth are called continents. How many continents? There are 7 continents. Already we studied, no? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. That is continents, or we can say land also. Next we are going to see 5 oceans. There are 5 oceans located on the earth surface. They are the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern and Arctic oceans. What are the 5 oceans, children? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Among these 5 oceans, the Pacific Ocean is the largest. Among these oceans means among the 5 oceans, the Pacific Ocean is the largest and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest. Arctic Ocean is the smallest. Okay. Next one, we are going to see second order landforms. Second order landforms. The second order landforms are categorized as mountains, plateaus and plains. The second order landforms are categorized as mountains, plateaus and plain. See the picture, children. This is the second order landforms. It categorized as mountains. Brown color, no, these are all mountains. plateaus, and plains. And plains. Okay. Now we can see one by one. Mountains. Mountains. Mountains, a landform that rises 600 meter above its surroundings and has steep slopes is called a mountain. Mountain means, see here, the mountain. Mountain means a landform that rises 600 meter above its surroundings and has steep slopes is called a mountain. Is called a mountain. Mountains are found in isolation or in groups. Mountains are found in isolation. Isolation means separate. So mountains are found in isolation or in groups. If the mountain extends for a larger area continuously, it is called a mountain range. If the mountains extend for a large area continuously, it is called a mountain range. These ranges stretch for hundreds or thousands of kilometers. These mountain ranges stretch for hundreds or thousands of kilometers. The Himalayas of Asia. The Himalayas of Asia. The Rocky Mountains of North America. The Rocky Mountains of North America. The Andes. The Andes. The Andes of North America are such examples. The Andes mountain in South America is the longest mountain range. The Andes mountain in which continent? In South America is the longest mountain range. That is 7,000 kilometer. What is the measurement, children? The Andes mountain 7,000 kilometer in the world. The highest point of a mountain is known as peak. The highest point of a mountain is known as peak. Mount Everest is the highest peak. Mount Everest is the highest peak. What is the measurement? What is the meter, children? 8,848 meter. Mount Everest is the highest peak, that is 8,848 meter in the world. In the world. In which country is Mount Everest located in? Children, do you know this? Which country is Mount Everest located in? Which country? In Nepal and China. Mount Everest is present in Nepal and China. Nepal and China. Okay, children. Next. Next, children. December 11. Every year, December 11, we celebrate as International Mountain Day. Every year, December 11, we celebrate International Mountain Day. International Mountain Day. Okay. Next one. Next one. Mountains are the sources of rivers. Mountains are the sources of rivers. They provide shelter to flora and fauna. The mountains, they give, provide means they give shelter to flora and fauna. Flora means plants, trees. Fauna means animals. In the forest, plants trees also is present, and animals also is present. So, mountains are the sources of rivers is one of the important source, and they provide shelter and to flora and fauna. Okay, children, here tourism is an important activity. In mountains, tourism is an important activity. Okay, children, thank you.